Hi, this is Shazia. I am from Kadri. I completed my BTech in Tirupati, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College. After my degree, I was very confused what type of course I should do. I am just browsing the websites and I am browsing the institutes, what I need to go further. So I found myTectra is one of the best institute. So I just came here and talked to the manager and what type of course I have to take. So he suggested me Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence. He is very genuine and he told me that all the type of syllabus and my experience on that Python machine learning, it's very good. Actually, I was under Mohan sir. He is very good trainer. He helped me a lot. Firstly, I was very scared for that, how to do that course and all. But he is very cool person and he suggested me a lot. myTectra also have helped me a lot on placements also. Firstly, I was very confused about the placements on AI. They are helping me a lot. Now also they are helping me. Thank you for myTectra.
Hi, my name is and I'm from Belgium. I've come to Bangalore. I've done the course from the myTectra and in machine learning with Python, and it went very well and it was satisfied. I was satisfied. So thank you, myTectra.
Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Mahakant Malik from Haryana. I just came to the Bangalore for the Python, AIML and data science courses. I just got the reference of the myTectra team from one of my friend's brother who was one of the former student of the myTectra team. The way he gave me the reviews about the myTectra team was quite impressive from other institutes and everyone. So when I just came here, not only I realized this, but I also realized that the way of teaching of Santosh sir and Diptanshu sir was so much quite impressive that they cleared all my doubts. I would only like to say that the way they interacted with the students and made us clear our doubts was quite impressive and really good. Thank you, myTectra team.